Hello, this is Nancy with Nancy's Foodie Channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make the salty pork congee. Salty pork congee. Yeah, it's one of my favorite. And this is a recipe my grandfather actually used to make for us. And why I say it's my favorite is because it's not the same as the ones you get in the restaurants, the pork congees, at all. It tastes so much better. That's my opinion, really. Yeah, it's a salty pork congee. We normally make it with different ingredients besides just the salty pork. Sometimes we like to add the 1,000-year-old egg and dry oysters. Oh, absolutely delicious. But I don't have the dry oysters today, so we're going to go ahead and just make a plain salty pork congee. And just the thought of it, the meat and the bone is just so good. And of course we're going to have to add salt and marinate that pork bone. But anyway, I will show you how to make that in a little bit. And our short lesson for today, for the Chinese short lesson, for the foodies who don't speak Chinese and would like to learn a little bit, which I've been doing for the past 2 weeks. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. And we're going to learn how to say salty pork congee. Okay? So salty is that's salty. G is pig. Pork. You learned that, right? A couple of weeks ago, you learned how to say pork chop, right? So pork or pig is called G. G, salty pork. But in Chinese, we like to say meat after the pork, right? So salty pork meat. So you say G, and you say meat, yolk. That's meat. So G yolk. Right? So you got salty pork meat. How do you say congee? Right? There's many kinds of congee, but you always say congee the same. So congee is juk, congee. So put them all together. Ji yolk juk, salty pork meat congee. Easy, right? Ji yolk juk. You got that? Want to do it again? Ji yolk juk. Yeah, you got it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the short lesson. So we can go ahead and move on to our cooking. Let's go.